Good morning. Today we are making this house a home and we are picking up our mattress, our custom mattress.
All right, Ollie, be good. You're staying in the van.
Good girl.
We are here in Clearwater at Custom Mattress Makers with Nick.
So I'm Nick, I'm owner of Custom Mattress Makers here in Clearwater, Florida. We manufacture custom size, special size, non-standard mattresses for many different applications. If it's not standard, that's kind of our bread and butter. Old school, build design, hard work, good quality materials. Everything comes from the United States.
And we met Nick at Peace, Love, and Vans last year, right? Last February.
Almost 11 months ago.
I think February, yeah.
Yeah, last February. And once we felt the mattress, we're like, this is what we want to have. And we're super excited to be working together. Let's show you guys how they're made, because it's pretty incredible.
Nick has a long history of building mattresses, beginning with his father who had a mattress company in the Northeast. Their specialty is listening to their customers and coming up with the best mattress for their needs, then using the best materials with expert craftsmanship to create a mattress that is not only comfortable but that will last. For our van, we chose a 6-inch firm spring mattress with custom dimensions and then foam for our flares. If you want to support this family business, check out our link in the description.
Pleasure.
Thank you so much,
Looking
Nick.
forward to testing this out over the next couple of years.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Oh, were you a good girl? You ready to check out your new bed? First time sitting on our custom mattress. Holy cow, this is comfortable. It's medium firm, which is exactly what we were wanting.
How does it feel?
I go to sleep right now. We've been
Yeah.
working so hard the past 6.5 months. All I want to do is sleep.
In your own bed.
Oh, wow. So we don't have the foam yet for the flares, but hey, that's fully extended.
There you go.
6'1".
It feels so good. Oh, it feels great on the back. I'm like kind of in shock because the bed was the last major thing, and we have a bed now. Ah.
All right, now let's go to where we're spending the night for the first time in the van. This place we spent a lot of time for the build. All right, we are back at Chris and Allie's. They live near Clearwater. It's gonna be our first night sleeping
In the van.
in the van
Ever.
Yeah, it's very weird actually. Kind of feels weird. It feels like, I don't know, it just kind of feels like we're camping, right? In a way.
Yeah.
That's what it felt like for the boat too. So we're gonna put up our window covers. We gotta do like a little work with the sink because stuff still flies all over the place. And then we sleep on our brand new bed for the very first time. And sleep in the van for the very first time. All he's confused. All he's like waiting to go out. It's like a trial run for next week. Doing our nightly routine. Well, this isn't an every night thing, but we would liked it to be. She lost her first few front teeth because she's getting old. And we need to brush her teeth more.
Is that your spot? Are you gonna sleep there tonight? Yeah.
How does the bed feel?
The bed feels amazing. It feels like a real bed. Yeah, I'm really excited to sleep in it tonight. Very tired.
It's crazy, this is the first new bed Jennifer and I have ever owned together.
Actually, yeah, it's true.
Ollie, how do you like your bed? Did your mom just clean it for you? Got enough room here. Got the bench seating for Ollie with Ollie's ottoman there. Got all the window covers up. Now these window covers are by The Wonderful. We have a link in bio. They are amazing, like super magnetic, and yeah, they just kind of snap
Super
there,
dark.
so super dark. You can't see any lights.
No,
Come in here,
they're
which are
awesome.
pretty cool. I was kind of just reflecting a little bit because now that the bed's in, basically the van's done. We'll be doing a tour either as the next video or the video after that, so stay tuned for that if you want to see all of the details and like the little bits we've been adding off camera as we've just been working all the time. But it's just, I find it kind of interesting coming back to our original van build desires, which is like a big, full, comfortable bed. Check. A big old kitchen. Check. And a work area, dedicated work area. And an enclosed bathroom. Like, we have all of our non-negotiables. Is it perfect? Is there a lot of like, I guess, roughness around the edges and stuff we could have done differently? Absolutely. It's very interesting to me where it is now and where our goals were at the beginning. and it's very different, but still the goals that we were kind of shooting for, I think we hit. We also have our fan going. I think we installed this off camera. This is the Sirocco 2 by Caframo, another partner of ours, and it's some pretty high quality air. So this is like a really low power way to be comfortable in the bed.
Yeah. So just wanted to say a huge shout out and thank you to Custom Mattress Makers. Thank you to Nick. We love supporting small businesses, American businesses, and really can resonate as small business owners ourselves. So if you are interested in a custom mattress from Custom Mattress Makers, we have a link in the description to their website. So now let's have our first night's rest and we will check in the morning.
The birds are chirping this morning. It is beautiful here. It's just so weird waking up in the van. It was so nice actually. Great night's sleep. Well, checking with Jen, I slept great. We do need a cushion at our feet because that's the deeper flare space, but the one by our heads, the pillow kind of covers portion of it, and then the rest of it's like a little cubby, which is great because storage is a bit of a challenge. But making coffee, listening to the birds, it's been a great morning, and I just can't wait to do this out in nature in the future. How did you sleep?
I slept well. Bed is very comfortable. Very comfortable.
Any changes or takeaways for the next night or things to...
I think we were still figuring out temperature regulation. We weren't sure if we should put the AC on last night. It's December and it's 80 degrees in Florida and it's...
Very confusing things. December, most likely cold. Florida, could be cold, could be warm. 80 degrees, pretty warm.
Yeah. So that is warm, but we weren't sure if we should put the AC on or if a fan would cool us. So we're kind of experimenting, but besides that, the bed was very comfortable. Very comfortable.
How's organizing going?
It is going.
It's a nice organizing on a comfy bed at least.
It is. It's very, very nice.
Off camera, like 3 days ago, Jen was trying to organize this and it was like you were frustrated.
Yeah.
Because it was uncomfortable and like nothing was fitting.
Yeah, it's much smaller space than I'm used to. Much smaller. We're adjusting. Growing pains at this particular moment in time.
Although to be honest, like compared to most people, we are kind of a condo to 2 backpacks, 1 roller. That was everything that we lived with for almost a year. And then to a boat, which was bigger than this for sure, like a trawler. And now this. So we're very used to making do, and if it doesn't fit, we just didn't need it, and we can make do with less. Today is the last day before we leave on our maiden voyage, which is just a short trip up to Georgia. We have a lot to do. The big thing is we need latches on our drawers. As we're going to Clearwater to pick up the bed, anytime I take a turn, drawers would just slide open. And so we need to figure out the latching situation. We have a package coming today, and then keep packing things, and then I think we're gonna be ready. What do you think, Ollie? Ready to go on the first trip in the van? Yeah? Where do you wanna go? We have been working around the clock, trying to get out here. You can see we removed our tailgate, mainly for weight purposes. That thing was so heavy. The van is pretty much packed and ready to go. It is December 27th, so we started the van build basically July 1st, so it's been 7 months. So the challenge with the door locks that we're finding is self-inflicted. So we kind of have this very thin face frame here, and it's not very strong to hold a latch. We've been tossing and turning different options, and probably should have designed it a little bit differently, but can't really go back in time now. So what we got are these. These are magnetic baby locks, which is kind of crazy. So the idea is that this is gonna lock the door when we're in transit, and then we'll turn them unlocked whenever we are stop moving. So ideally, this will keep the doors in place, even when we kind of turn a corner and we have some sizable force on the doors. If this doesn't work, kind of our nuclear option is to install a pin in the side of the door that we can just like force the doors to not move when the pin is in. If we have to do that to make sure doors don't slide out, we'll do that. I'm like mentally drained from this van build. All the different problem solving and stuff, it's been challenging. Okay, Okay, here's the status of it. Didn't quite work. I definitely can screw these in to make this not move, but I can't really screw this one in just because of where the screw holes and how thin our face frame is. So we're pivoting, and we're gonna go with the another option. Still not quite to the nuclear option of drilling holes, but I'm to the most difficult option, which could be the best too. Which is basically I'm gonna add a piece of wood in between all of our cabinets, kind of behind the face frame. Gonna pocket hole it into both sides, and that'll be like a big, nice, firm structure to connect the drawer latches to. So let's see how that works. The most challenging part of this is taking out the drawers because there's not a lot of room. We maximized our storage. One of those things that it's nice once it's done to have as much storage as possible, but while building, could probably have sacrificed like 2 inches. You know, that might not have changed everything, and that would have made life a little easier.
One hour later.
Ready to install the first latch, and so here is basically what I've created. I just have a small 3-inch piece of 1/2-inch plywood, and this is going to rest behind the face frame. And then on this side we have the latch. And so yeah, now we're just gonna pocket hole this into the cabinet and screw it in and hope it all works. All right, we have latches on every single door. Woohoo! And ready for my magic trick?
Yeah, let's see it. Whoa, you can take the drawer out while sitting on it?
Yeah, you don't know this because we haven't shared it, because we're doing so many things. We cannot share every single thing, but these drawers were a little tight. And so I cut off at little parts of the tight and added the latches just now. Look at that.
Nice.
Yeah, you hear that click?
Yeah. Nice.
Let's hope it does it.
Whoa. So we won't have our drawer sliding out with, how exciting.
For this one I was able to put in the center, you know, where you grab, because that's where the force is gonna go, so that's good. But for these, because there's not any room here between the basically the face frame and the hole, I had to do it off center, so it's right here. But still good. The drawer's so small, I don't think it's really gonna pull weirdly. I was out here at 7 in the morning and it's 5:40, so
oh my goodness.
10 hours.
Just to get little drawer hooks in.
But you know, this is
so important though,
so
to be able
important.
to drive.
And tomorrow morning we leave.
Oh, dark
for
30.
our first trip. Oh, dark 30.
Yeah.
So we have a lot to do before then. Whoa, what do we have here? Our professional seamstress, professional cushion maker, Jen's mom.
Wow.
Ollie girl, sit on your cushion
Ollie's
there.
ottoman.
Ollie's ottoman.
Complete.
Come here. Come here, look.
Wow.
Wow.
Oh my goodness, look at that. That looks
I
awesome.
used the black zipper.
Come on up.
It's gonna help you jump up onto your big bed. This will be your little bed.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. There you
Oh,
go.
wow, how do you like that?
Oh, you like it? Made that for you.
That looks amazing,
That
girl.
looks so good.
So good. Oh, and it's like really firm and nice because you have the piece all around it, so like it feels like it's even firmer, which is great.
I didn't even sit on it.
Oh,
Oh,
what's the
Cushioning.
verdict?
Pretty good?
yeah.
Today we leave on our maiden voyage.
Bye. Love you. Bye.
And away we go.
This is our maiden voyage. We'll be finding many quirks and learning quite a bit about van life. Good job.